Hi everyone, welcome to my very first Animal Crossing New Horizons video. My name's Lexi, and as you can see in this video, I'm going to be resetting my island. So I've decided to reset my island because I've been feeling kind of uninspired, and I've been wanting to try to design a fairy core island. So I'm really excited to kind of document this experience of me building my island from the ground up and sharing it with you all on YouTube. Yes, it is. I think you would select I'm moving if you were transferring your save data or something. So like I said, my name's Lexi, and that's how you spell it. My birthday is August 14th. I'm a Leo. In the beginning of the game, there's not too many options, so I'm just gonna go through this quickly. This is kind of how I always make my character look, but I'm not too worried about it since there's a lot of hairstyles I can get with Nook Miles and from Harriet now after the 2.0 update. Yeah, so I always go with the same hemisphere that I'm actually located on, which is Northern Hemisphere. So it is winter right now. So when it comes to picking island maps, I'm not too picky. I want to pick the map where the resident services is kind of furthest away. So hopefully we get some good ones because I don't want to restart. Okay, Timmy and Tommy, give me some good ones. Let's see here. Okay. Not too bad. I'm just gonna go with it. It should be good. As for airport color, I'm just hoping I don't get orange just because I'm not a fan of orange. Everything else, I don't mind. Like the native fruit, flowers, and villagers, that can all be changed. Alright, here we go. Oh, I just realized I need to think of an island name quickly. I guess if I had to choose, I would choose apples or pears as my native fruit, so I'm happy. Let's see, airport color, blue or yellow. Darn. Oh, I got Pashmina. She's cool. Darn, I don't know if I want a green airport. I kind of want blue or yellow. Yeah, I'm gonna restart. I'll be back. Okay, so after seeing that neon green airport, I was like, no, I don't want it. I'm gonna go for blue or yellow airport this time. I think this one is the furthest. All right, let's see what we get on this roll. Okay, got cherries this time. Cherries were my native fruit on my last island. And I also had a yellow airport my last island. Blue or yellow? Yay, we got yellow. And we got some Uggos, but that's okay because we can switch them out later. We got Diva. And who's that guy? Is that Billy? No, Billy's kind of cute. So I'm guessing he's a jock. She's sisterly. Oh my gosh, the resident services is so close. Okay, so after seeing just how close the resident services was on the last island, I was like, nope, can't do it. I can't settle because this is going to be my forever island, so it has to meet my perfectionist needs. Okay, so looking at these new batch of islands, they're looking pretty good. This resident services looks the farthest, so this one will work. And we're hoping for a blue or yellow airport still. Okay, so last time I picked something to kill time and it gave me a yellow airport. So I'm hoping the same thing will happen. We'll just have to see. Okay, we got cherries again, just like last time. Yay, blue airport! And we got Snake and Flo. Okay, this works. I like the blue. It's a very calming color. What's up, Snake? Snake is a pretty cool villager. I like his theme. Alright. Oh, wait a second. The resident services is pretty well aligned with the airport as well. Nice. I'm very happy with this decision. And it only took a few rolls, so we got lucky. Roll call. Flo is here. Snake's here. And the star of the show, of course, is here. Alright, so I'm gonna put everyone's tent on the beach so I can plan my island layout before I start placing houses. Although, since the 2.0 update hit, it now only costs 10,000 bells to move a house rather than 50,000. So that made rearranging island layouts much easier. Okay, I'll be right here. Yep. Okay, now we're gonna go find Flo and Snake and place their tents next to mine. Flo is already right here, how convenient. Alright, now we gotta find Snake. It's about drive, it's about power. There you are. They were just conveniently waiting for me here. You guys are awesome. Alright, everyone has their spot. Time to go back to the plaza. Oh, I'm teleporting there. Okay. Alright, we're gonna throw an island warming party. I'm gonna collect some sticks and some cherries. Yep. Let's get started with the festivities. Light the campfire, Nook. Now it's a party. At last, allow me to properly welcome you to your new island. I have participated in many ventures and endeavors over the years, but this may be most exciting. We're building the community entirely from scratch. Yep. You mean I am building the community entirely from scratch. We, you mean I again. Oh no, I'm gonna name it so soon. Okay, I wish we weren't limited by the 10 character limit, but since it's a fairy core island, I was kind of just looking up different types of gemstones, different types of flowers to name my island after. And I was thinking of Opal Grove, but grove, that word just seems like kind of cliche, and a lot of people name their island Grove, so I am going to name my island after a flower, an oleander. So I just remember reading the book White Oleander as when I was young, and I really enjoyed that book. And also, it just to me seems like a really unique name, and I haven't seen any islands named Oleander before, so I think I'm happy with this name. think it's a pretty unique name, so I'm gonna go ahead with it. Alright. Let's check out Snake and Flo's idea. Buffberg and Awesome Beach. Nectopia. Oh, that's so funny. Each one a potential gem. Okay, Lexi seems to have the enthusiasm and the naming sensibilities. Let's start there. Oleander. Yes, I like how that looks on screen. Yay! We could just go with Oleander. Sounds good to me. Yay, it's official. This island is Oleander. I love it. I'm so happy. Yes, resident rep. Clap, 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 clap. A word or two. You can count on me. So, we've settled on a name for our island. We've selected our resident rep. It's been a big day and it's rather late, so let's have a toast. Pull out that cherry smoothie. To Oleander and the happiness of its residents. Cheers! So adorable! Alright, sweet dreams. Whoa, is this a dream? Get out there, explore new frontiers. That's all the way right, Daddy-o. You don't need to live by anyone's rules but your own. World was made for exploring, you know. Living free, being out there, it's a great feeling, yeah. You take it from a cat who's been on the road. KK, you're a dog. You've got to make friends along the way. Rambling this crazy world is Squaresville without some pals. I don't understand. Yeah, man, friends are where it's at. Speaking of rambling, what you're doing, I'm doing a bit of that. Oh, yes you are. Yes you are. Maybe it's about time for you to wake up to your new life. KK, you need to put on some clothes, friend. This is not appropriate. You're naked in my dreams. I don't like it. When you wake up, you'll be in sync with real time. Dig that island life, and I'll catch you later. Alright, KK. See you when I hit 3 stars. Okay, I think the game is synced up with real time right now, so it's about 2 p.m. It's a brand new day, just as I suspected. I needed that. A little reaction that I did. It's quite normal to be worn out from such a long trip and a major life event. Speaking of which, I have a few more things that you might find useful as you adjust to life in our little paradise. You'll need one of these. A Nook phone. Nice. Alright, let's see here. Welcome! That's so cute. Did it work? Good, good. Looks like you're getting good reception as well. Where are we getting reception from, Nook? Say, Lexi, have you ever used a smartphone before? Yes, I have one of my own. It should be a breeze for you. You'll find it more useful than the phone you already have. What? Are you hating on my iPhone? Oh, so I got the tips for the tip app for free since I'm a quotation marks new player. Island Life 101. Nice. Yeah. Yes, please. Pull out your Nook phone again so I can send you the app. How many Nook miles did this app cost for players who were not new? Nice. I'll start getting messages once I'm out and about and doing things. Awesome. I have mail. One more thing. Oh my gosh, my bill. I got 0 bells. I'm in debt already. Oh no, Nook. This is a total scam. Okay. Yes, yes. Well then, wait, you don't have any bells? No, I don't have any bells. What did you expect? You were prepared for exactly this type of tricky situation. I'm sure you were. Nook mileage program. Mileage? Question mark. It's quite extraordinary, if I do say so myself. You can earn miles by simply living your life here on Oleander. Yeah. We'll definitely do some videos of us earning all the Nook Miles items. 5,000 miles. Okay, so that's going to be my first task, right? Earn 5,000 miles. So happy to have you as a resident of Oleander and a client of Nook Inc. Teleporting again. Okay, he disappeared. Yay, my new life's underway. I can do whatever I want. Okay everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you had as much fun watching it as I did making it. I'm super excited to start this new island, Oleander. And for my next video, I think I'm gonna wait until I unlock terraforming so we can do our first build, or it's gonna be a villager hunt, whichever one comes first. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can be here for the next video. Bye!